Ladies and gentlemen, so today we have one interesting question which reads to say, suppose that the midterm test scores for 100 students in a college business statistics course had a mean of 70 and a standard deviation of 5. How many students had test scores between 58 and 82? So, we know that when we are dealing with what is referred to as the Z-score basically gives you a hint on how to use the mean and standard deviation given one single element. So we know for sure that the Z-score is defined by the element minus the mean divided by the standard deviation. So we know that we have 58 to be one of the elements. So we will say 58 minus the mean. In this case, the mean is 70 divided by the standard deviation, which is 5. When you are to subtract 58 minus 70 divided by 5, you get the value to be negative 2.4. So what this negative 2.4 simply means is negative 2.4 indicates 58 to be 2.4 of the standard deviation but below the mean. So which means that the 58 is representing negative 2.4 to be that of standard deviation, but since it is negative, then it is below the mean. Then we have the other, which is 82. So we have 82 minus 70 divided by 5. So we know for sure that 82 minus 70 divided by 5, we get the value to be positive 2.4. What the positive 2.4 now implies is the opposite of this one. So this positive 2.4 indicates that 82 is 2.4 standard deviation but above the mean. So now that we have these, for you to indicate the percentage or rather the decimality of people that are above 58 but below 52, we need to express this figure in a decimal or rather percentage form. So when we are dealing with this, we need to use what is referred to as the Chebyshev theorem, where we know for sure that the Chebyshev theorem is defined by 1 minus 1 over, let's put Z so that we can have a Z score, but preferably people love putting the mean. So we have Z squared multiplied by 100%, where Z is always above 1. So we know for sure that if we were to square these two numbers, the resulting outcome will still be the same. So we will just get any of the two. So 1 minus 1 over 2.4 squared multiplied by 100%, where we know for sure that 2.4 squared is that. Remember, it is 1 divided by the answer that we are from getting, then 1 minus the answer. We are getting the value to be 0.826. Then we multiply this by 100%. So if we were to multiply that by 100%, we get the value to be 82.6%. So 82.6% is how many students scored above 58 but below 82. So this is how you approach such kind of questions. Your host, Golden Zulu.